Welcome to Purflyvi. You want to make YouTube videos, you have an idea, you have a phone or a laptop, but something stops you. My video won't be good enough. What will people think? Today, we are going to fix that. No complicated advice, no expensive equipment needed. We'll make sure to cover the most important points and the key things that truly make a video great. Just the real, honest things that actually make a YouTube video good. Let's go! Music sets the mood. Choose it carefully. Think about the last video that gave you goosebumps. I bet music had something to do with it. Music is not just background noise. It is emotion. It tells your viewer how to feel before you even say a single word. One simple rule. For emotional or sad content, keep it soft, piano, acoustic, something soothing. For motivational or high energy moments, build it up, powerful beats, something that makes you sit up straight. And the most important thing, match the music to the moment. Do not play sad music over a happy scene. Do not play loud music when someone is speaking quietly. Where to find free music? YouTube audio library, Pixabay music, Mixkit. All free, all copyright safe. Go check them out right now. Pacing is everything. Do not lose your viewer. We live in a fast world. People swipe in 1 second, skip in 2. If your video is too slow, they are gone. This does not mean you rush everything. It means every single second of your video should have a reason to be there. Cut the silence, cut the uhs and ums, cut the parts where nothing is happening. Keep the energy moving. Keep the viewer curious about what comes next. Good pacing feels natural, not so fast that it is stressful, not so slow that it is boring. Watch your own video back. If you get bored watching it, your viewer will too. Free tools that actually work. You do not need expensive software to make a good video. On PC, try DaVinci Resolve. It is free, it is powerful, professionals use it, you can too. Also try CapCut for PC. Simple, fast, beginner-friendly. On mobile, CapCut is the best free option right now. VN Video Editor is also very good. Both are free and easy to learn. For audio editing on mobile, try Lexis Audio Editor. It is free and works really well for mobile audio editing. For audio editing on PC, try Audacity. It is free and does everything you need. Start with one tool. Learn it properly. Do not keep switching. Consistency with one tool will take you further than trying 10 different ones. Watch and learn. Grow by doing. Here is the best advice for making better videos. Watch creators you admire. Study them. How do they open their videos? How do they use music? How do they cut? How do they pace? Take notes. Not to copy, but to understand. Then pick up your phone or sit at your laptop and try. Make the video. It will not be perfect. That is completely fine. Every video you make, you will learn something. Every edit, you will get a little better. Your style will not come from watching. It will come from doing, from failing, from trying again, from making 10 videos and suddenly finding your own rhythm. That is how every great creator got there. Not by waiting to be ready, by starting before they were ready. Good YouTube videos are not about expensive cameras or perfect lighting. They are about music that matches the mood, thumbnails that stop the scroll, pacing that keeps people watching, tools that you actually use, and a style that is genuinely yours. None of this happens overnight, but it starts with one video, then another, then another. So stop waiting. Open the app, press record. If this helped you, share it with someone who is also trying to start their YouTube journey. Comment below. What is the one thing in your videos you are going to improve first? Like, share, and subscribe to Purflyvi for more honest and helpful content every week. See you in the next video. Keep creating, keep growing.